Go there.
We've got to go that way.
Waiting for them.
Turn left. Yeah, there's probably someone behind.
Michael. What?
Gotta go this way.
They're here now.
Is that them?
Yeah.
No, it's not them behind, is it?
No, right behind, one after.
Let's go here. Kind of a nice place to live.
Not too busy.
No.
Okay. Not one. Not one.
The one after. Wow.
View สวย That like a hotel, is it, no? That one?
Yeah, it's B&Bs and hotels, yeah.
B&B.
All along the front, yeah.
Yeah, all in the front. It's nice.
I always
พวก
feel
มี
that,
เคยมีอยู่
I always feel it's a different feeling to a coast seaside town. There's some kind of, I don't know, just feels different, you know?
I like the building though.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, there's some lovely buildings here. Look at that one there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that modern bit on the top does it justice, but
Holiday apartment.
it reminds you a little bit of Weston, doesn't it? Like the buildings, you know, similar.
And I like the color as
I mean,
well.
they're nice. I like those places. Those bits, they're like Georgian. Kind of, I like that.
This bit, it does look like Western Superman.
Yeah. That's what I mean. There's these feels about these. Well, of course, the Victorians made all these famous. Like they're the ones that kind of, you know, the same kind of architecture and layouts and. Sue went straight for a red light there.
Tom, stop for you.
Or Tom went for a red light, should I say? I bet it's cheaper down here as well.
Think so.
Oh yeah.
I think behind it be that got winter time is cold, I think.
Yeah, winters can be a bit bleak, but not any bleaker than in Bristol, I can assure you.
Oh, that one might stay longer. On.
Church. Oh, bright blue. Bit hilly here, isn't it?
Yeah, all coastal towns are like this because a lot of them it comes down to the
Water.
Yeah,
In a
yeah.
sea.
there's parts of Weston like this.
Small road is it? That only one way. Yeah.
Yeah, no, two way in this is it?
I
Yeah,
think
two
so.
ways. Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
one big house. A good view.
Yeah.
Can see view is good. หน้าบ้านเป็นทะเลวิวสวยกูดวิวได้เลยตัวนี้บ้านหลังใหญ่เนาะ This one big it's nice
I bet you these here are like 50 grand cheaper than they'd be in Bristol. I bet they're very small.
Again, it's seaside.
Yeah.
Similar like a VR house.
Yeah.
Like a same style. ตรงนั้นน่ะคล้ายๆเหมือนแถวบ้านดับบังกะโลสิ